To all my dear students, I am giving you next problem generally asked in examinations. So, for this always we have to know the different type of reaction. If you know the different type of reaction, we can give the answer. If not, then we have problem. Yes. So, I will try my best. A carbonyl compound X gives iodoform test. Yes, and can be obtained by oxidation of monohydric alcohol, having one OH group containing 3 carbon atoms. So, what is the hint over here? So, first 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. Yes, OH, that is the alcohol. So, what type of alcohol it is? Monohydric alcohol, one OH group, propane 2-ol. So, write down the structure formula of X. This is the X compound. Yes. Now, this X compound give what is the structure formula X. Second, give the functional isomer of X, giving IPAC name. Yes, that is the propanol 1 alcohol. Always keep in mind. So, this is what treated with acidified solution of potassium dichromate. So, secondary alcohol always convert into the acetone. Yes, that is the you can say acetone common name, propane 2-one, and that compound is when treated with what we see iodine in presence of sodium hydroxide, that is iodoform test. So, what we get? LOPPT of iodoform, that is iodoform. So, what the hint over here? Gives iodoform test. Yes. Now, the second one is what we have to find out? Give the functional isomer of X. So, what you see? That is the CH3 C double bond O CH3. So, this is the X compound. That is the X compound. Yes. Now, this X compound, the what is the possible isomer? That's the keto. That is the aldehyde. So, what the name of this compound? Propane 2-one. And what the name of this compound? Propanol. Al. What is it? Propane 1-al. Yeah, we can write what is it? Propane 1-al. Aldehyde group. Yes. Now, third, according to third, what we have? How is X prepared from 2,2-dichloropropane? That X compound. How can it, that is Gibbs compound, you know? So, 2,2-dichloropropane. When that is treated with aqueous potassium hydroxide, so what we have? That was you get what is it? 2 hydroxyl group, but that is unstable compound. Yes, that is unstable when it loses 1 molecule of water. So, what we have? Ketone, X compound, propane 2-one. Yes. So, that is about the third. Fourth one is the right reaction for the conversion of X into 2-hydroxy-2-methyl. Sometimes ask you, how can you convert acetone into 2-hydroxy-2-methyl propanoic acid? So, very simple reaction. So, that acetone, that compound is acetone. Yes. So, when the acetone is treated with hydrogen cyanide, so what is that nucleophile attack over this carbonyl? You know the reason, because carbon has slightly positive charge, oxygen has slightly negative charge. So, what you get? That compound addition product. Now, this addition product after hydrolysis, we know always cyanide compound after hydrolysis, what we get? Acid. So, what we have? Acid. So, what the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3. So, 2 position is OH group, 2 position is acid. So, what is it? 2-hydroxy-2-methyl. Yes, 2-methyl. Then how many carbon? 1, 2, 3. So, what do we have? Propanoic acid. Sometimes I ask you, how can you convert acetone compound to what to say? 2-hydroxy-2-methyl propanoic acids. You must keep in mind. It's very important. Now, last one is V. Last one is V. What we have? What is the lab test or for what is the carbonyl compound? You know, any 4 carbonyl test always what we have to use? 2,4-DNP test. So, 2,4-DNP means dinitrophenylhydrazine, you know. So, that is X compound, propanone, propane 2-one. Yes. So, carbon, that is the carbonyl group. So, that carbonyl may be aldehyde, maybe what you see ketone. So, that is always tested with 2,4-DNPH. DNP means dinitrophenylhydrazine. So what do you see? So that oxygen is substituted by this nitrogen. So what do we have? This double bond comes over here, nitrogen after. So what oxygen is substituted by this nitrogen. So what do we have? Propane 2-one. That is propane come from the acetone. Propane 2-one in 2 and 4 position is what we dinitro. Phenyl hydrazone, that is hydrazine. That is hydrazone in product generally, right? So what type of PPT we get? Orange yellow PPT. See, if you know the reaction, then you can write the words this type of question in examination. So for this we must know. So what to see the important chemical reaction, I think. So you have clear. So thank you for watching this paper.